Oh, oh. Again. All right. Let's go with our trading here for today. All right, so we're kind of in the midst of momentum here and bias. Chart 1 and chart 3 are both in between momentum and bias, but we are short now technically. Besides chart 1, our indication here is going to be short for the day, or not the day, but for this next series of trading. Sorry, I'm trying to get the new mic. Let me know if I'm too far away or if it sounds too close, or if you guys can hear all the background noises or anything like that. Okay, we're gonna scale in here. This next RDA test is kind of almost at momentum, so we're gonna try to. Well, we're on the short side, so that's fine. This could be a retest of momentum before the move up. Yeah, I like this test of momentum right here. So, we'll scale in here for the overshoot. Into momentum. So for this. Just going at 3. Okay. Then we go back to here. So I'm trying to copy everything and post it in the Discord. Everybody coming over here. Well, good morning, everyone. For those of you who it's already in the afternoon, but hope everyone's trading well today. Seems like a pretty fun day to trade. It's pretty good volatility here. This was from what I saw earlier. Okay, so we got this alpha candle on the right hand side. Let's see what we can use here. Yeah, I mean, look at chart 1. This candle tested. It used the RDA as confirmation that it's still long. Going to test momentum now, and it could be just stuck in between momentum and bias here for a little bit. But we're going to trade it anyways. Hello, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, well, let's trade this. Feeling a lot better today. I hope the mic sounds a lot better. You guys can all hear me, I hope. Make sure. Okay. All right, so it's playing here at momentum. Oh, chart 3 back at. I don't know. I think this is a long move. Doing the long side step up here. Chart 1 is really saying nothing. Chart 1 is not giving up anything that is short. So, I'm waiting for this pullback. Now it has to break this momentum, or it has to close above. Now this could be the fade move down to this initial test, but I feel like this candle kind of technically tested this momentum indicator, chart 3. Well, has everyone heard about that submarine? Like the crazy stuff that comes with it? It's pretty insane stuff. Audio sounds great. Appreciate it, brother. All right, let's just get into some trades here. Let's try to think where the next reactionary could be. We could trade into. We're not going to impulsively buy here, so I'll be a little slower trading today. But try to get into some good trades for you guys. All right, let's see what the system's telling us. Okay, well, the system's indicating this long move. Bias is long. On chart 1, bias is short almost on every other chart. Really gotta wait for this confirmation here. See which chart kind of closes above. But you could technically trade in between the zone, I guess. It's kind of a weird range to trade in here. It might be in the trade zone because you're getting the short indication, but the long side stepping up. Up about $96 today. I don't know if I haven't lost any trades yet. It's almost Friday. Yeah, you mean the summary with the $30 Xbox controller? Yeah, dude, it's insane. Did you also? So those of you who don't know, somewhat how submarines work and everything, because when you go into water and you go into deep, you go deep in the ocean, pressure is obviously going to expand inside of like a submarine, and especially with metal. And from what I heard, that submarine is made of like 6 different types of metals, and this is from what I heard. It could be true, it could be not the truth. So don't take it on your own risk. But I also heard that there's like 6 different types of metals in that thing, and they built it from stuff from like Ace Hardware, and I don't know. But everyone's saying there's a bunch of billionaires on there too. So I'm not sure if it's just some crazy conspiracy. I'm feeling pretty confident with the long side here. I feel like buy side is definitely side stepping up. I'm really using chart 1 as my control here. I'm not really seeing anything from chart 1 saying that it's a short move, so we're gonna try to pull back here. See if we can get in. Because if it continues to rip up, seems like the high was already tested today. Oh, the low was tested today too. Yeah, I feel like this is the long move. We should wait to get picked up here. Put our stop loss in. Something I keep forgetting to do is put my stop loss in. It's pretty much as soon as I put my buys in. Or my sales, whatever. Just putting your stop loss in kind of right away. Because you never know if that volatility will catch you. I don't even know what the name of this stream was. US. Yeah, the air runs out today in the AM. 5 people, 1 billionaire, his son, and the CEO of the company Ocean Gate. Jeez, that's pretty it's a pretty stacked boat, man. Thank you, by the way. Oh, sorry, I forgot. You can hear me. Bless you. Thank you. $250,000 ticket and an 8-day trip. That's crazy, man. See, I'm not an ocean guy. I know I was in the Marines, and we've had to do mile swims in the ocean back. Like my company commander thought it'd be a great idea. I think I've told the story before, but I can tell it again. We might as well, right? my company commander at one point, he was in the Rock Marines. He was overseas, like with the European Marines. We call them Rock Marines. He was over there, and he was telling us stories about how much training they did. They're all about like fitness and everything. And we're in the infantry, man. And we're like, dude, we get enough fitness as it is. We're not trying to do anything more. And he comes in and gives us a brief saying that we're going to do this thing called the open water swim. And what it is we pretty much get on our boats and they're going to take us out hella far in the ocean off ship. So we're already on ship and they take us out in the ocean and we have to swim back to ship. And it's like a 2 mile or a couple, I forgot how many meters it was. I know it was a couple hundred meters. And then we had to swim a mile one back for our final testing. But dude, swim in the ocean with gear on? No, thanks. Swim in the ocean, period, like deep in the ocean, is not my thing, man. There's stuff we haven't even discovered in the ocean yet, bro. Like, I'm not trying to do all that. The ocean doesn't scare me. Actually, I will say scared. It terrifies me. There's stuff in the ocean we have no idea about, bro. I'm just not about it. Yeah, for everyone who's watching, Rick's Dog is also in. Everyone's caught on YouTube, so. Alright, well, it seems the long move is correct here. We just can't really get impulsive. Just gotta kind of wait. The scaling is kind of where, on chart 4, it's kind of where bias is. So if it comes down for a retest, possible overshoot, I could possibly get picked up. I might be able to raise it up a little higher just in case this thing doesn't come down. Thing about with my scaling, I want to have kind of the best entry, so the lower I can get it, the better. This might not pick you up. So I believe if you put just more contracts lower down, I mean, your basis will be at the lower spot. Sorry, I got these damn allergies. We've only explored 10 to 25% of the ocean, I think. I know, it's crazy. And you got people, you know who else I think is crazy? And if any of you do this, like, kudos to you. I have my scuba license too, so, like, I enjoy the ocean. I enjoy, like, going with people, but to go out there alone and do some crazy stuff, like the shark cage thing, no thanks. That's not for me. I'm not trying to play with death like that. I've done my fair share. That's some other stuff. That's crazy. But some other thing I think is actually crazy is the cave divers, where it's like the claustrophobic cave and they're just squeezing through. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can find this video. I'll wait for this trip. I don't know if you've ever seen these before, guys, but no, not cave diving. No. Yeah, these ones do. They're like, do you see this? Where they're crawling through a cave. These people are what I think are like legit psychopaths. If you're crawling in a cave where it's dark and you can't see anything and it's claustrophobic too, and you're just crawling in there, dude, you got problems. But kudos to you, mad respect. That takes some balls, man. But no shot, not me. You get stuck in there, someone will chop your legs out, pull you out, bro. It's crazy. And we're still waiting for the straight. Yeah, see, we're kind of stuck in this little. It's stuck on momentum right now, and it's stuck on the daily open. So I mean, this could be. I'm not sure. Maybe this rejects here. Unless someone wants to test this high, 180. Let's go check weekly. See if I can place any indicators here. Hope everyone's trading still good so far. I'm tired of just not being in this range. Yep, there's the impulse. So probably could have participated in that trade, but we're still waiting for this pullback. We will wait down a little bit lower or a little bit higher. Just because if it wants to make this move, I want to participate in it. So oh yeah, come tag me. Pick me up. That's one tick above me, so if this isn't cool. If it just picks me up for one, I'm gonna be pretty sad. Yeah, chart 4 looks like that whole entire rejection from momentum. That's a pretty strong indication here that this side was heavily rejected. Make sure there's no more chats. Yeah, man. Excited for the. Should be nice over here for a little while. Starting to get a little more summery, which we like this summer. Yeah, I probably could have waited down a little further. Now I'm gonna be stuck at this basis. If it comes down, pick me up. This is what I was somewhat worried about for this trade, but I still feel like this long move is the correct. This is kind of a retest on chart 4 of momentum. Yeah. If it wants to pick me up for one more, I'm okay with it. Seems like the rip up is still the way. Put this down to 2. 2 in here. Okay. Is it just a profit? Yeah, I'm sorry about the quality still. I know we're working on figuring out what we're going to do with that. Okay. So we're kind of waiting for this profit taken here. I want to put it in profit, but I think we should wait. Yeah, I guess that. Now, if the trade goes against me, I'm just going to get out fast. Tired of taking these trades, something that is huge for me. I pretty much did about 2.5 hours of journal yesterday about my trading. And really what comes with, what comes with impulsively buying. I should just get out and start. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, staying in bad trades for a long run, like letting it continually go against you and hurting your mindset is something I've just noticed and was journaling down. And chart 1 control. Yeah, I believe chart 1 was my troll, purely based off the fact that momentum and bias are long on chart 1. So my indication here is going to be long, scaling in kind of where chart 1 is reacting at. Yeah, chart 1 can just confirm the bias or momentum. Chart 4 as well. I guess I can make chart 4 a little bigger since I don't look at it for entries. Damn, I mean, both the buy side and sell side are kind of rejecting the hell out of each other today. Now I listened to my mic a little bit, so I haven't adjusted too much like gain on it or anything, but pretty easy trading day. I mean, also in chart three is giving you pretty strong move. I mean, it was rejected at momentum. It came back to the RDA. This is technically a retest of the RDA before confirmation. And I'm just kind of playing around this zone. And that's something I also wrote down here on my notes is remember that the trade can go both ways. Whoa. Huge spike right there. But remember that the trade can go both ways. So if this trade goes against me, it could be the short move now. Not getting stuck in the same mindset of it's been long, so it's staying long. You know, my uncle says that there's three key pivot points in the market almost every single day. Yeah, we'll just let these breathe. Let this trade breathe. We got some. I still have some profits, so I can still let the trade breathe a little bit before I take my profits. I kind of want to get out here. So we'll move. Yeah. Let's take that one. Doesn't make sense. I made $1. Yeah, let's pull profit there. Just some small scalping. You know, it was like I don't know, $15 or so. I really want to see some volatility here. These candles are kind of moving, but I want to see something nice. Something nice and fresh. Hope everyone else is trading all right today. I got my coffee. I put some music on. Just trade. Tell me if you guys can hear my music or not. I'm not sure. Yeah, there's the rip we're waiting for. Yeah, I assume you guys can hear my music, but okay. So now that it kind of broke through momentum finally, the candle finally closed. Kind of straight for this pullback, kind of get in. Because the next target is the high of the T-key, and then the high for the day. I think it's so cool that all of us could sit here and just look at charts. It's a pretty cool feeling. Those of you who are not on Discord, we're all talking in the Discord too. I should probably join the. Oh, shit. Okay, I'm in the active trading channel as well. So, I don't know if I should message everyone and tell them, but dang. Yeah, see, I missed the rip here. And I shouldn't participate yet. Because it always goes against me, so let's wait for the pullback. If there's no pullback, I'll just enter in at 1. Oh. Yeah. Should have entered there. Oh, maybe not. Maybe it was a good decision to be smart, Tony. They say it's always a good decision. Never knew about it. But what else can we really talk about here? I don't know if I. I don't think I'm logged in still. Alright, the C media features just starting to get built. Forgot we moved all this around. Looks good. Looks real good. Okay. Nothing on the pullback, eh? I don't know. I feel like the trade is. I gotta get into this. Yeah, I'm getting no. It's long here. I think it just might continue to go long. But for a rip down. Nothing, dude. This price right here is. I didn't mean to get picked up at 2. It is what it is. I'll get picked up at 3 if you want. It's just participation trade here. I'm gonna pick it one more time if you want to. I'm already in at 4 actually. Hit me to 2. But it happens. It's fine. Keep forgetting my left chart is always 2 contracts. Bottom 2, right side is 1. Alright, we're just participating in this trade. If you cut this bottom here, I mean it's probably a really great trade day for you. Caught this bottom, you're swing trading this. Or if you just caught this RDA check down here, it's a little overshoot the RDA. That was before the rip up. Been a great trade. I mean, now in hindsight, all you have to do is really buy his pullbacks. But kind of hard to see real time. Set profit. It's fine. Even if I'm taking small profits, I'd rather be taking profit than none at all. That's how I hurt myself. So even if my entry is not the best, I just gotta still put myself in profit. So just adds the fees, but I'm already in the trade, so better take a profit here than a loss and take some fee damage rather than no profit at all. Still in that too, so still got some breathing room. It's playing around up here. This maybe possibly a fade here. Anticipating one. Let's see, there's the retest. This is the pullback here, or this is a move down. So I'm just anticipating the one just in case it's the move down. Just because how this top closed, like 2 strong levels right here, then another 2 strong levels closed right here. It just kind of gives me this indication that it might want to come retest before making this. We still got about 2. Yeah, we still got about 2 hours or so left. So I mean, this could be the test down before the final push for the long. Test that long side. Or short move here, possibly. Never know. I'm not sure what my uncle's doing, but if he is in the Discord, yeah, and for those of you, if you don't want to watch on YouTube, I'm in Discord too. So if the voice is somewhat behind, I'm in voice on Discord on the channel. This might have been a small move just for retest, so we'll just kind of play it type by ear here. Oh, thought you guys might join. I'll let this play out. If it takes me out, it's taking me for a couple dollars. I mean, I was just trying to participate in this trade to see if it was moved down. It wasn't. I'm okay with that. That just gives me more indication for the longer side. If it doesn't rip down here, sometimes maybe it's good just to test out what price is doing. Yeah, that's fine. Here's my first loss, about $5. All right, we're kind of at an extreme here. If it is a fade area, we're at pretty much the second extreme, man, and the second deviation. So something to note here is if we continue to make this rip to the top, to the high, which is 151.80. If we make that push to the high, I mean, something to look for is how far away from the RDA and how far from the deviations we are. So that's something I'm looking at right now. I mean, all prices at the farthest extreme band is start. Well, I guess the first deviation for chart 3. All right, well, we'll just keep trying to catch this pullback and then stay on the long side. Seems like the buying side is the strong side from what the system's telling me. Long in every single chart for bias and momentum. Catch pullback. Probably just stay in deep for one. Come on down here. Put my stop loss is kind of like right underneath RDA. Just case of a test from that farthest. Check in the chats. All right. Now it's all about just the wait. Trying to see what's going on. Dude, I'd take a nap, man. Okay, that's good. I want to get picked up. Don't pick me up for one, please. Get a couple in there. It is nice though, just when you scale in it and get picked up at one and then keep moving. I don't think this is gonna do that. I think this might retest momentum. Never know. It's a pretty nice movement today. And pretty good good day trade. Not really as boring as waiting the whole entire day. Kinda got some extremes to go to. From what I see today, I mean there's probably maybe 5 high probability trades you could have taken today. Especially this morning. This morning was probably a great time to trade. Going from long. But huge long day. I'm not really sure what to talk about here. I'm in this trade. Hate being in the one. cash just got out. I'm kind of trading at these extremes, but I'm trading like in the extreme zone. But it's okay. Let's go to the trade play out for us. If it comes down to test where my scan is at, it's pretty much at momentum for chart 4, chart 1. And it's kind of where the RDA is at. So if it does come down, I mean, we're pretty set on. I'm not too worried about it testing down and shooting for the low. I should check where the weekly's at or where the weekly level's at. $183. Whoa, AQ. AQ's making some crazy movement today. These candles are nuts, man. Huge. Look, first test the RDA, rejects, goes long. That's what I was telling everybody so far, man. I'm telling you, this first test the RDA, such a high probability. You can see almost tested here after the huge impulse exhaustion move, impulse down, almost of the test. There's all this crazy work just to test for confirmation for the momentum long move. Test continues to go long. Oh, we're kind of stuck playing at this price. If it keeps coming down here, I'm gonna go heavier. Let's see. I want to make it somewhat interesting for you guys. See if we can get a big trade going on. I just have the cash just ripped to the long. The high for today. I know most of you probably miss my uncle just as much as I miss him. It just doesn't feel the same. Don't worry, gentlemen. I'm getting there. My trading's starting to feel a little more consistent. I'm feeling a lot more confident with my trades. I feel a lot more confident with the system, just in general. I remember when I first looked at everything. I remember when you first told me about candles and what indicator was. And I was like, there's no effing way I'm going to figure this out. There's no shot. This shit is crazy. But here we are. You know, the system is a tool that guides me. I think of it as like a siren or a mermaid. Beautiful. Great singing. Seduce you. Now, what do you know? You're donezo. I don't know how that applies to this, but sometimes you think you see something. That's wonderful. The system tells you it's not. You gotta know. Feel me? Alright, might see the break here finally. Oh, close above. We're good. It's been about 2 contracts. Make this. Sorry, I know I keep my charts like super far in the middle. I don't know why I do that. I don't like seeing the whole chart for some reason or something. All right, sweet. Now we're making some profit. All right, first stop loss is in. I was letting that one breathe just a little bit. So we're already in profit. I didn't really see volatility going down. So kind of keep one. I want one to kind of cover both fees, as well as. Oh, I know I should have went a little heavier. That's okay. Yeah, one to cover the fees. I mean, I wish I was in more contracts so I could pull some profit and then keep some, let it run or fly. But for just 2 contracts, I'll let one kind of stay at the top, be a little bit closer to the higher price. Takes me out for profit. It'll cover for, both fees as well as my as well as just give me some profit. And then the second one is just pure profit. So let that one run kind of as far as I can. Or if I see a high price, just get out there. One thing I will say is that if you saw my very first trading compared to now, there's a huge difference in it. Not that the trading is at an elite level, but it's definitely a lot different than it used to be. At least just buy and sell. Scaling it just feels you can feel so much more confident with your trading, man. Using all the Excel trade system and then really just scaling in correctly is as long as you have a good entry. I mean, there's not much for you to worry about after that. After a good entry, most likely you're in profit right away or relatively quickly. Let's test momentum here. Now we are far from the RDA odd. Short 4. It's fine. Take us out for that. See, we're just making some small scalp moves today. Just trying to get. This is just how I'd be trading if I was trading my live account. So that's kind of how we want to be trading. Seems like we're doing good so far. It's gonna take me out. You're gonna move up. Okay. Now, is this a pullback to the RDA or possibly momentum before I move up? I'm not going that deep. Man, it's just a nice day to trade today. It's actually not too crazy. What's going on? Void Vanity. Brother, good to see you. Just gotta go heavy on these pullbacks and wait for it to rip. Yeah, all you should be doing right now if you're trading the MQ, I guess we can try it. We can check the MQ too. If you're trading the MQ, I mean, really, you should be just buying these pullbacks, waiting for the confirmation. What the hell happened over here? Okay, it's weird. Just wait for a pullback and buy in. Everything is long here, but I kind of want to short here. One of our boys in Discord is just clown, dude. I love it. I feel that every time momentum is just so long like this, you just want to get that good fake. It could be such a great trade. Instead of using chart 4. Super Mega Fader Man says short, short, short. Oh man, the Discord cracks me up. If you're not on the Discord, seriously, bro, just join. It's worth it. It's a good time in there. Oh, kind of staying here. Just want one pullback. It feels like momentum gets tested here. M29 and or the M24 and the M9 just keep getting tested here. So the RDA is that test of the RDA is going to be your best reaction area, but the first possible reaction here for a pullback could be just momentum. So playing momentum to a bias is probably the best option, like scaling in wise. But I just want to get picked up, so I'm gonna go a little bit higher than I usually would and try to get picked up in momentum. just because I don't see a short move here. So I'm just waiting for a pullback. Oh, funny story. I don't know if I even told my uncle this, but I dyed my beard black. I have a brown. I have brown. I have like a brownish reddish beard. It's very weird. I'm not ginger, but I have like red hair. I have a lot of red hairs in my beard, and I believe that if I was not born from my father, I would be a ginger. And it just completely broke my heart the other day when I found that out. Because I was dyeing my hair black, and I was trying to figure out. I was like, why do I have red hairs in my beard? If I have black hair, black eyebrows, like my beard is somewhat black and brown hairs, but then there's just a bunch of infill of red. I'm like, what the hell? Why do I have red hairs in my beard? And I looked it up, and it said that my genes, like genetically, my dominant, I have like a dominance in my red hair gene. So I believe I would have been a ginger, which breaks my heart, man. It just takes souls. No offense to any of you, ginger, man. Went to his long, price above the RDAs, wait for retries, and boom, snipe it. Yeah. I mean, that's really all you have to do today. Just wait for these pullbacks. Which we're waiting for right here. Price. Yeah, I don't care if my basis is high. Dude, what the you just hate not getting picked up. You know when price is coming down, you're like, oh shoot, coming down my scaling, boy. And it doesn't pick you up. Such a dick move, man. Yeah. Just put these kind of right underneath the strong levels right there. Prior resistance. What is the weekly open right now? I need to get the weekly OR indicator on here, but oh man, I should just be in this trade. See, I just can't participate. I'm not trusting participation. Dang. Sorry, my fiance is texting me. Oh. Got about an hour left in the market. Or 2 hours. Sorry, I'm tripping. Boy's hungry. Ugh. If you guys hear that weird noise, it's my water bottle. Chart for control for short but long. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Scaling right. Dude, just come down and pull back. If it doesn't come down here again, I'm joining bid for 2. Because this whole move up, I've just kind of missed. Yeah, bro. Again. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me now. It's making its way up to there. But, I mean, this is kind of stalling where this strong level is created. Oh, impulse up. Volatility. Starting to get crazy in here. We'll go for 5. Yeah, we'll do it. Okay, let's keep going. We're going for 6. I'm trusting this long move. My scaling is not actually the best. My entry is not actually very good, so maybe I'll keep my stop losses a little tighter. I was supposed to participate in that. I went from participation to scale again. I should take some off here, just in case it ripped down. We'll let it play out. If it comes out, take me out. It comes down, take me out. I can take that. It's a bad trade right there. Shouldn't have participated that deep. But, I mean, it really was overshoot the momentum there. This is what we're kind of expecting. Oh, maybe not. Seems like it's getting rejected. But we let this trade breathe. I mean, I committed to this. If it comes up to like a couple dollars, I'll probably get out. If I can. Unless someone's come down and hit the RDA. Something I'm kind of worried about is this RDA test down here. Yeah, it might move there. Yeah, but I don't want to be taking off that much loss. We'll let this trade breathe. Let it move. My stop losses. Let's keep my stop losses tight here. Let it breathe. If it wants to move up, moves up from here. Kind of on the wrong side of this trade. Just because my entry is bad. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out at some point I want to get I don't know how music works particularly. Like I know copyright, but if we're not if I don't care about monetization, then I don't think it should matter if I play music like that, right? Because I want to have some music in the background here. I would love to watch a movie. But we'll trade. We could like put in a poll for a movie in Discord for it to watch on the stream. Just while we're in trades. Like a trading movie. Someone was telling me about a good trading movie. I forgot what it was called though. I believe it was two of our alpha members. Yeah, it's gonna take me out. Twat. Let's churn my P&L. Just not one. Wait for this RDA test. Still long here. Nothing else but long. Yeah, come down. Trust in this RDA test because it's on momentum for chart 4 as well as chart 1 momentum. And it's kind of the first test since that break. Want to add more to this position? I want to get in more here. It's fine. Don't really want to trade the margin call ultimate trade places. I'm not sure what they're talking about. 160.76. I'm fine with this. Come back down to retest. That one actually. Damn, man. I can let this one contract just ride. I'd rather be in like 2 or 3. Just so I can take profit. It's all good. We'll let one ride. That was a great place to buy back in if you were able to in this pullback. You should probably get in now. It's going for the high. One thing to look at here is at the previous strong level on the left-hand side of the chart 1. I mean, this was created right off of the same line this one was. Just about. Okay. Starting to get a red signal from the hourly chart. Huh. Just staying with this. I mean, I probably can just get out. And I could probably just restart. Get in for a little more. Let me do that. It's cool. Come back down and test. Should be scanning this heavily, but pretty confident it's already a test. I don't know actually. It's kind of hard to say because on chart 3, the hourly strong level before the high, price rejected there. Still rejecting there. Chart 4 is still long here. Nothing besides saying it's long. Damn. Sorry, it's allergies. Oh, they picked me up. The question is, do I participate? Because that was the test. Yeah, we'll participate right here. Stop picking me up from one contract, dude. It's starting to piss me off. Let's get rid of these. Oh. I'm just kind of buying here right at momentum because I feel like this is the momentum test for the rip. That's just because from the other previous pattern. I mean, RDA test here, the rip up, momentum check, rip up, RDA test. So that's why I'm just buying in here because I see a rip in the future. My stop loss in. Put my buy right kind of in the middle. Just let price do its thing, man. So we're up a lot more, $100 wise, but still in some profit. Took a bad trade there. See the impulse buy and sell just does it to me. Because every time I do that, I get punished for it, and I know I get punished for it, but I continue to try to do it here and there. I'm okay with the recheck here for bias. So I mean, prices. My stop loss is underneath the RDA, so in case of an overshoot of the RDA, I'm still in for long here. Because I don't see it. There's no other indication from the system saying besides it's long. You could be fading these down moves for the test, but other than that, you should be long. It's pretty long. It's a long day. Momentum's long. Bias is long. I want to know if price is going to come up here and test this for the high for the day. Sorry, I pulled my nose. Oh. Price is being stubborn right now. Oh, have you guys? So funny story. My dad and I were playing. He got the new Street Fighter. I don't know how many of you gentlemen and ladies have played Street Fighter before, but I kind of grew up on Street Fighter a little bit when I was younger, and man, they have updated the hell out of that game. The graphics are crazy. Combos are pretty dope. But I've always been an OG Mortal Kombat type of guy. Love some Mortal Kombat. New one's coming out. If you guys have not seen the trailer for the new Mortal Kombat, and if you like gory and like all that type of fatality, if you like Mortal Kombat for its true blood, then the new Mortal Kombat's for you, man. Go check out the trailer. It's crazy. It's gonna be awesome. Liu Kang is a god in it. It's insane. Just waiting for this trade to kind of play out. I figured it might come down test the RDA here. Just double test. It might actually just stay down here. It might just stay between bias and momentum. In chart 2. We'll see. I like that the sell size kind of get rejected here. Probably would have been best just scaling down the RDA again. Move this stop loss down. Damn, is it really changing? Is it changing over right now? This could be the change. Whoa, volatility. Huge spike right there. I want to get in for a little heavier for if this moves up, but I mean this feels like that was an impulse down through the RDA. Pretty strong impulse down too. Yeah, it might be the changeover. Or it might just be changeover to test momentum in chart 4 and chart 1. Hasn't tested in a long time. RDA acts as a magnet. Now I'm down 60. So I have to play this right. Yeah. Just now I feel a little more confident with the rise up. So we're in about 6. It's a little too heavy. I should just be doing one contract buy itself. So I'm gonna change this. I guess I'll shoot over here. Not really trading smarts right now. Just kind of trading a little reckless. Let's pull back after this trade. And we'll just scale incorrectly. Wait for the nice extremes to trade into. I just want to be in a trade, make some profit. So, and I see this trade is playing out kind of the way I want it to. So we'll wait for this volatility. It's starting to get a little volatile here. Also got about an hour and a half left in the market. It does take, my uncle's saying, it takes discipline away from the right test. It really does. I mean, because there's so many tests that can be happen. There's so many tests that can happen, and you kind of have to pick the right one that you see and that the system sees, and it coincides together. So it's hope I'm not on the wrong side of this trade. If I am, though, let's just get a little bit closer. I'd love to see the rip up here, man. So let's go. Chart 4 is giving me pretty. I'll probably give it some more space because chart 4 is looking like it wants to move up. Chart 4 looks like there's retest of bias there. Or momentum. Just let the trade play out. Sitting in it. These are the worst ones to wait for. Just sitting in the loss and profit. Just waiting. Should probably pull some profit at the top, but we're going to let this one ride. Just go test that level. I'm going to stop losses and profit. Have a great day for everyone. Or if you come out here and take me out, there will be vengeance. Hi, I need 1040 or 1480. Is that in reference to something? Whoa. Okay, we'll move these down because I don't trust this move, man. How weird these candles are being, dude. Just pick a side, hang out over there. Only on chart 2 am I seeing somewhat of a changeover. So that's the reason why I'm sticking with this trade. Move my stop loss down. It's only because on chart 2 I'm seeing the changeover between momentum and bias. Or maybe chart 4 too. But seems like it's still the long move here. Chart 1 is really my control. Just kind of waiting. And when you're stuck with these trades, I mean, really not stressing yourself out about. I mean, that's what I really have done to myself a lot through these trades. It's just stressing out. Move your stop loss up, move your stop loss down. I still do that, but it's more for protectory. Still, at times I still, I'm like, oh, dude, I don't want to be in this trade anymore. It's going against me. So that's something just to look for is, damn, they're just playing around momentum. I think the long side won. Unless this candle closes below. Damn. The sell side stepping up, dude. So yeah, I definitely could have took profit up there. Like I said, just letting this. I want to see where this after this range kind of happens. I can kind of decide where I want to go for the rest of the market. I think this is also kind of state where it wants to go. Hasn't tested the RDA yet. After that first test, so play by ear. This hard area, keep in NDX hour closing. So if I'm looking at the, I need to figure out how to get the indicator on here. figure that out later. Yeah, I'm sure you give this trade the room. Give the room to grow. Starting to get volatility here. For real. I'm really worried about some impulse down through the volatility for the RDA test in chart 4. But we ball. And Mention's not really the best, but if it rips here, it goes to the high at 180. I mean, it's going to be a pretty good entry. So we just got to wait, see. So you guys are waiting with me. It also takes knowing the right test. Discipline is a bit easier when you have the knowledge. People's discourse been facts. We're looking at this. There we go. There's the rippage. What? He's in profit. Dude, no shot. I should have took profit there. If it comes in and rip me out, I deserve it. So I should have took the profit. But if it doesn't, I'll let the rip continue. Come on, man. You want to go up or you want to go down? Oh my goodness. It's going to do it. It's going to come down. It's going to test this again. Should have just pulled profit. It's okay. We're still kind of waiting here. It's got to make a move either way here, or it's going to range out here for the rest of the next hour and a half. I don't think so. It could. I don't think it's going to happen. I think this high gets tested. That's where it wants to go. I mean, look at the indication. It wants to test this high. Now, if you're a borrow lever trader, you tag one of these strong levels down here, caught that all the way up to here, just swing trading that, you are a baller, my friend. I would love to swing trade like that. Just hold a trade all day and see how much profit you're in. It'd be probably so nice. Discord keeps telling me new reads, but I'm already on the channel. Yeah, I mean, look at this buy side just stepping up every level. Every level check. Every reaction area. Every indicator. Buy side stepping up. Doesn't mean they always step up, though. Something to keep in mind. Because I used to think that they always step up, and it betrayed me one time. Yep, so we're just waiting for this trade to kind of play out. It's just playing around momentum. We'll just get out of chart 2. Get out of that tunnel vision. Trade play out. Yeah, chart 4 wants to move, man. Look at this thing. Chart 4 wants to play. I hate having the open price on there. It looks like my basis, so I just hate having it. high lows on there. Now I want you to stay in profit, buddy. Now what we can do is we can move our profit up in here because I'm tired of take profit. And if it comes down, takes out, we're just gonna restart. Dude, the sell side is not wanting it to move up. It's not playing enough games. Just keep our stop loss. It's pretty tight. I'm worried about volatility here. So in case I rip down, I want to keep my stop loss pretty tight. Just because there could be an impulse down or something. Okay with that. That's not too bad. That went for 2. Now we're going to let this one run. So we'll see what price wants to do here. It comes down. Take me out. I'll enter it again, probably like on here. If it wants to keep coming down, we're going to keep buying the pullbacks. So it could come on to go test this level down here. Whoa. Volatility, man. Oh no. Sell side's about to break me. It's about to take all the profit I just took back for itself. The question is, do you reverse here? Yeah, it looks like the sell side's stepping up, so we're just gonna join this. Oh, I did it at the end again. Tony! Oh my god, I keep doing it. Keep turning my account by doing this, man. Gotta stop impulsively buying those. Just because we see some type of move, I gotta buy at the beginning, not the end. Okay, we try to manage this best we can. Now, I do believe in this RDA test. Oh, man. I just turned it all around on me. I just made a really good trade and just a really bad trade. I literally just went from a profit $120 to negative $120. Okay, it's fine. Just gotta stop impulsively buying. Now, is this still a short side move or what? I feel like it is. I feel like that was the impulse back up. Could be wrong. Could be on the wrong side of this, but I'm feeling an RDA test or possible momentum test here from the other charts. My entry is a little better here just because I have a little more. I have the RDA momentum to kind of go off of. So this is a fade. It is momentum long. Except for on chart 2. I think I might be getting tunnel vision here. I'm about to turn my account by doing it. I shouldn't have done 6 contracts again, but it's just I get so antsy towards the end. I just want to participate. I'm tired of waiting in trades. So I get real annoying, you know. We'll see how the trade plays out. If it takes me out, it's okay. It's really gonna take me out. Dude, what the? Okay. This is kind of my last trades then. If it's just gonna keep being impulsive like this, I'm trading the volatility. It's probably the best time to trade. That was a pullback then. We're gonna go heavy here. Just if you want to impulse up, impulse past momentum, go for the long. I'm gonna continue to scale in here. My margin's crazy. I'm gonna continue to buy this. Keep making my basis lower and lower. I'm just keep going heavier for this long move. It's not how you should trade the 3,000, but if it wants to move like this to me, to play this game. You see some of my uncles trading. Not as elite or calculated. I'm about to scalp this thing. Got about an hour left. I keep doing this to myself. Well, the morning we good. See, my uncle always says this too. If you can trade the morning and you can blow it all in the afternoon. But I do both. I should. One into profit. See, the thing is about this trade, I have to let it play. Dude. I know I should be taking these profits, and I can't be taking more loss, but I want to see a rip up here. I don't even have the best entry. I should just restart. That looks like a test of momentum. I'm sure too. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna step away from the trade, let it play out. Do its thing. Takes me out. Takes me out. Just let it play out. We're good. We're calm. Just gotta stay calm. Cool, calm, and collected. Got the trades get to me. Stay in market likes to play though. Just let it play around momentum for a minute. Looks like momentum started to shift up. We can get behind this. Just stay on this side of the trade. Let it move. Let it breathe. We got time. Do. Hope everyone's trading all right. Not making any dumb decisions like a boy over here. I haven't heard much in the AI chat in a long time. Not really seeing too much volatility here. Actually, the candles are starting to move a little bit. Love to see a big jump up here. Be a great day. Looks like it passed. Broke that strong. Yes, feeling the move is still long here. You might see a couple of candles come down to test, but really no signal's been given. and it just tests the RDA. But it hasn't tested the RDA on chart 1, chart 4 in a long time. That's something we really got to watch for here. Might test in the overnight too. Whoa, just fell over my chair. Look at that price didn't even get a chance. It touched the RDA, it instantly went back up. Question is, where does it close? It closes above. It's a good signal. So now I can make videos with this new mic. I think it'll sound a lot better. Finally not sound like I'm in a dollar store. Dang, look at the rejection on both sides, actually. Southside's trying to step the heck up. There you go. Your big bar. Now, I have a couple settings on this mic too. So I have one where it's set like spatial, and then there's one where it's just me, or like it controls the zone that I speak into. So I'm trying out a couple. There's like 4 different options. So I'm trying out 4 out. Trying the second one today. See if it sounds good. I'll go at the gym in a minute. Today's the best day of the week. Chest and tries today, baby. Well, I guess while we wait for this trade to play out, I can tell you. Well, before I had my fiance, I never really went to Whole Foods, or I didn't know that girls did makeup. I knew the girls did makeup. Sounds like I'm tired, but no, I didn't know what went behind all of it. And being a boyfriend for so long, being with someone for so long, you start to see stuff I had no idea about. I didn't know about pregnant people. I had not one clue. I didn't know that the baby comes out and the placenta comes out. That blew my mind. That's one thing. I didn't know that you cannot eat like deli meat and sushi when you're pregnant. My fiance's sister's pregnant, so I've been learning more about it. Man, shit's crazy, bro. She feel like she just got pregnant, but she's already at her 3rd trimester. It's insane. Her 2nd trimester, she wasn't that big, and now her belly's huge. I didn't know that there's a thing called pregnancy nose. You guys know about that? Where when women get pregnant, their nose can like super bloated because of the extra blood flow, and their nose can become like huge, and it can stay like that. Dude, the world is a crazy place, bro. Brothers, it's insane out here. But yeah, I just learned about all the pregnancy stuff the other day. You'd think they would teach you that in health in high school. That was a joke, obviously. They did teach, but not like that. Here, finally seeing it move up. Now, hopefully this move can be confirmed instantly. Oh my. Sell side just tried to shoot down. Let it play. Let them ball. Rhythm season chart 2 is my waiting period here, but all the other charts are still saying a long move. It's getting close to the peak too, the high. I mean, And that could be a good fade move down because it could be the changeover. Once it hits a high. Just waiting, man. Do not come down to test this low momentum, bro. Oh my. Should have just pulled that back, man. Would love to have been in 6 contracts here. That, and I'm just holding this trade, though. I need to post profit. Should pull when it was at 100. Dude, these self F words are starting to actually piss me off. They're just stepping up right when we're starting to get towards the top. But we probably see a retest here, momentum, and then they move up. This is what I'm kind of worried about. I feel like there's a move down here. So we'll just scale in. Now it's going to play around with momentum. The only thing is if this is a sell-off to test. Chart 4 and chart 1 are starting to give me some type of confirmation for possible move down to test the RDA or test momentum again. Yeah, my fees are crazy, bro. $427 a loss, $280 profit. I mean, a good fade move is possibly right here in this previous strong level. It's hard to say, man. Hard to say. Is there an RDA or size trade bait? We're still down quite a bit today. It's 2 trades just really just hurt. This happens when you get impulsive here. Still gotta wait for something. I don't know. I want to get in. Nothing, man. If it finally rips from here, I'm pissed. This is where we're going to buy. Finally closed above. It's kind of just stair stepping. And if that's the case, then we're just going to buy in then. See, now I'm worried I'm going to miss the high. trying to catch a little bit lower than that, but it's fine. Oh no, I do it to myself again, man. I think I keep doing it. I just kind of brought the top the previous level was at. Oh, I guess it doesn't even matter. Yeah, there we go. Starting to see some nice stuff going on. Oh, this thing's playing with me, man. Just gonna keep trying to go a little heavier. Wait for this move up the top. We kind of already missed it, but whoa. Let's see what price wants to do. Haven't eaten while I'm a little tired. Sound a little good, a little hangry. Price to move, man. Oh, I really gotta figure out what to eat in the mornings. Kind of just forget to, and I'm hungry the whole entire morning and afternoon. Oh man, it's taking a while to get up there. Not really good entry. Kind of buying at the top, but entering when you can. Could just pulling these profits. Thanks. Okay. Okay. Buy side needs to step up here. Oh, it's going. Could have went probably a little heavier. Hell yeah. Yeah, that's what I see. Keep going. Just keep ripping. Finally hit that high. Broke it. Oh yeah, it's gonna fade here. Might just retest momentum before the move up. It's hard to say though. No, if I don't really want to reverse though. I think long is still the projection here. Unless that target was just all I wanted to hit. Now it moves down. Goes back to the open. At least we caught that trade on the way up. It's kind of what we wanted. Now I'd like to see another rip up. So we took our profits on that. It's good. Put us down, I don't know, like $60. Sweet, guys. If you look in the 5-minute chart, we hit the 20 MA and rejected nicely. Price is bullish and holding price to take out the high. Yeah, for sure. I think the rip is still. I think another rip up is still possible here. Maybe evident. There's no other clear side. Nothing from the short side saying that. It's wanting to go that way. If it wants to keep moving, I'll keep moving with it. Oh, shiitakes. Hold up. Impulse. Big move. Sorry, volatile. It's volatility. Go up and break it again. Let my runner fly. Just because it might continue to rip here. So I'd like my 2 contracts to get taken out first, and then I just let my last one run. See how far I can go. Take it to the goal. Take it home, baby. Is he going to break it again, dude? Hell yeah. Dude, this thing was wanting to move. Could have done this like 2 hours ago for your boy. Yeah, it looks like that was kind of the final one. Well, this is going to play between the momentum and the high here. Very well could. It's not too bad a trading day. I'm still about 909 down. So we're just working on getting that back. Last hour of the market. Whoa. Yeah, I'm going to keep my stop losses tight just because I saw some volatility there. Looked like the buy side is actually not letting the sell side go anywhere. So, and look at that. It was like, as soon as it came down and tested me at all, they bought back up. Might see an impulse through here. So I'm just watching for that. Trying to stay roughly around the 120 mark. Get pulled out for that. Yeah, it's good. Now we're about down 80. Technically, we're in profit. Not really. My gross is there. So I'm gonna participate in this sell off. Is it sell off? We'll go 1. Just in case this is just a retest momentum before I move up. If it takes me out, it takes me out. So at least now we know what the kind of indication here is. Participate 1 down. Hello? About 2 contracts on the way down. Looking for an RDA test here. Okay. We'll hit the RDA, which was that momentum on chart 4. Sorry, I'm checking the square real quick. Weekly open on NDX for short. Yeah, so that probably was the pullback for going long again here, I guess. I want to test momentum before confirming that long move. Question is, do we participate in this trade? Because now it's already past where it's just scaled in. I think participation is needed. Okay, instantly took me out. No. Wanted to kind of get out of this space that's in right now. It's in a weird place where I don't really want to trade. It's stuck on momentum on chart 2 and kind of deciding on chart 4. Still like it's a long momentum move. Total profit, total loss is somewhat the same. Made back that bigger loss we took, which is good. It all happens due to the system. Every time I go against it is when I join, buy, or sell. And those are the trades that always go against me. So it just shows you how powerful the system is. Mouth's dry, man. Talking for like 3 hours. Okay. It looks like the RDA is holding up. Same with momentum. So, but the high was just tested. So I feel the next move here is an RDA test. I just don't know which one. That's the confirmed reaction, but I think the next reaction area is a strong levels created on chart 1 from that high. I'm not too sure. I should make some profit here, so maybe we'll hop in a couple of trades, try to make profit back, just scalp real quick. Okay, so we keep seeing this RDA test. Just try to get a scale in here, maybe for a pullback. Unless it goes to test high again. Yeah, I'm not really liking how it's rejecting here. To go up. Oh, never mind. Do I participate? It's not a good choice, Tony. It would have been nice there, though. Maybe catch a pullback here. Oh. I could probably scale into the fade up here. But I don't know. This might break. That's the only thing. It looks like. Oh, it looks like it's getting rejected. This would be a fade. This would be like the best fade. I just don't know if I trust it. Oh. Starting to see some volatility. I don't want to fade this move. I feel like it's kind of a trade on the table to fade here. It's kind of too late now. The reason why I don't want to fade here is because I don't know where the next level for the fade trade to go is. Like, I guess the RDA to momentum, but I haven't seen really any confirmation of the move down or the changeover. We just see it kind of hit that high, and it's kind of staying up towards the high. No real indication of a short move. Dude, I gotta take a. I gotta go to the bathroom. Oh. 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 Back. Yeah, see, it's just kind of playing up here at this high. I kind of want to fade this move. All of my instincts are telling me not to fade this move, but I really want to fade this move. I don't have my fade card yet. I don't rate the fade. Appreciate everyone who's still here, kind of tuned in and watching. And, obviously I know you're trading yourself, so I appreciate you being here. And for most of you, I mean, most of you are probably in Discord watching. Or most of you are probably already in the Discord. I might be streaming on. I'm gonna try to be streaming on TradingView. So for those of you who, I think you have to have 10 followers or something like that, maybe 10 ideas. I'll drop my TradingView thing tomorrow if you guys want to drop me a follow. That way I can stream on there too. I'd appreciate it. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see what the trade is here. Kind of already at an extreme. Man, the extreme we're now in the range of it. Because now it's kind of stuck in between this high and momentum. And somewhat the RDA. It's kind of a hard spot to trade. Got about 50 minutes left in the market. Man, it's a good day today, though. I mean, I had some bad trades, but really enjoying my trading. Just really enjoying trading overall. Learning more, getting better at it, seeing what price wants to do. We're just scaling at the RDA here for about. Whoa, I didn't think it'd pick me up right then. So I'm worried about volatility here, so I'm just putting my stop losses in right away before I start doing anything else. Whoa. Seeing this on the shorter scale, you can definitely see we're just kind of stuck in a range. That's why I like to keep my screens or my charts a lot smaller. Excuse me. Purely based off the fact that if I'm too close, sometimes I get two tunnel vision. Candles look bigger than they are. Price looks bigger. Looks like there's more volatility or more range, but there's really not. You know, I'm in this trade, but I mean, look how small this range is. There's no real extreme to trade here. You're just waiting for either the sell-off here or the continue to rise up. Which, I mean, I don't see a sell-off yet. Got something interesting on chart 4, though. I mean, this candle just closed. Those previous candles closed that. Now it's testing momentum. I would like chart 1 to test momentum to kind of give me confirmation. Because it hasn't tested momentum, so I kind of want this, my last contract to get picked up there. Dude, this speaker I got is actually freaking baller. It's mic. What's on the bottom of this thing? Oh, volume. So I can turn my volume up on here. How does it even work? Shoot my stop losses up. We're just gonna keep trying to pull profits here. If you see any type of move down, just kind of get out, restart it. Keep kind of picking these scalps. Let price play around for a second. It's fine. About $20. Just keep on working. Yeah, I mean, this last hour is going to be actually pretty interesting because chart 4, chart 3 were nowhere near the RDA. Or chart 4, sorry. Chart 3, I mean, momentum and bias is blown past and hasn't been checked since. Probably won't be checked for a while, but that's something to look for. It's going to test this high here, and the question is if it's the fade move. This is the third test. First test, third test, fifth test. Something interesting to note here is if it breaks, where's that next? This is where the L1 opened. Well, I mean, next price is really $244. And on the daily chart, we're stuck in between momentum. We're like on momentum. We're capturing it currently. I mean, on the daily chart, look how the system holds up. It's pretty crazy. Bias, momentum long. Bias, momentum long. Here, do this. Bias, momentum long. Every single day, just momentum checks. Or not every day, but every couple of days, momentum checks. Continues to go long. Momentum long. It's pretty crazy just how it follows the system. Oh, no, it's down here. Let's get back in. No, I very much could be on the wrong side of this trade because I was not trying to get picked up all three right there like that, but can let it come down. Okay. What a huge spike. Should I keep these tight then? I don't trust anything that just happened right there. I don't like how it's moving like this. It's starting to get volatile. Almost 40 minutes left in the afternoon session. For those of you, if you're during the afternoon session, you've never traded towards close. I assume most of you have if you have started or have traded close before, but if you have not, I don't recommend doing it. We're still pretty far from the close, but the last like 30 minutes or so, it can get crazy. Just for if there's new traders in here, don't just be trading just because I'm trading. Yeah. I'm trying to take as much profit as possible, so just keep scalping these. Okay, we went down from 200 to 70, so we're making our way back. Kind of hard in the sell. Stuck here. Well, what we want is just to keep buying these pullbacks. I mean, look, I just bought every single pullback so far and just continue to working out. So maybe this next one will go a little heavier. See, going heavy is what gets me in trouble. Now I'm really not. I mean, chart 4 is really just my control here. I'm just seeing it's all momentum. I'm just buying it back. Momentum for chart 4 and already for chart 2 are kind of the same. So just scaling there, waiting for the test. Buying, waiting for a pullback. Now the most recent red candle has not gone up to test that strong level, so something to look for here. If this is the short move finally, very well could be, very well could not be. I think price will probably run that high one more time, drop back into the range, 15,193 if I'm not done for the day. 15,193. Yeah, I believe so as well. Vanity, which is good. We want that. We'd like for the move up, even just slightly. Okay. Get our basis just a little lower so I can a little more room to trade. can't be on the other side of a bad loss like this if it moves down. Fortunate. This could be just the test of the slow momentum. I should have restarted though. I don't really want to wait for this trade the whole time. We'll see what happens. I gotta let this trade breathe just purely off the fact that I've let the other ones breathe. If I don't let it breathe, then it'll probably go against me. So, and I'm at a pretty good place. I'm at the slow momentum. I'm right underneath it. So if it comes down attack, this means that I entered in at the wrong reaction zone. That's fine. I think I did just enter in the wrong reaction zone. I probably should just get out. The smarter decision is to get out. So we were just talking about too, when this changeover would come, it looks like this might be the confirmation for the changeover. And I just happened to enter upon it. My stop loss is tighter. If I get taken out, or I get taken out for 40, then 180. Price, man, it's just working against me. I just need to go closer. Oh, dude. I want to get out and restart this trade, but I don't know. I'm being dumb. I need to just get out. Just wait for a little better position for me to get out of. Put up here. Okay. Possibly. Let it breathe. Starting to get greedy. I'll leave my stop losses there. I mean, that's like about a $40 loss, and I can't keep moving them. Just hurt. Mine's even more. So just let the trade play out. Move it up a little higher, let it breathe. Dude, this thing is moving like it has an agenda. Oh man, it fucking took me out from a rejection. I'm not gonna impulsive buy here. Let's see what the move is. I worked so hard to make that back. Okay. All right, market. Very well. Okay. Don't know what the actually is. I think it's a long move. I think this was the test of momentum, and it tested momentum, so now we can enter in. Okay. Calm down. Just do it. Do it. So you can see my impulsive trades are really where my struggling is at. Right now I'm impulsive trying to get back into another trade, but I want to be in these trades. There's not much else to really go off of. I want to be in these trades, and this either goes up or it goes down from here. If it's going to go against me, then I'm just going to get out. Now, we are looking at about the last 30 minutes of the market. So, shouldn't really be trading this. Go ahead, take it. Pick me up right there. It's fine. That's one tick above me, so if it does not pick me up, this is literally racism. Sexism. Something. I mean, we're still biased long. It looks like the retest was prominent. I don't know if this is that retest was a confirmation to go retest the RDA, but it didn't break through. So I don't know if the RDA test is the next place or the test the high. If that momentum test was confirmation from the long side that they can continue to go. Dude, this thing's gonna take me out again. Yeah, let's run it. Now I'm cautious for an overshoot here. My entry is not really what my basis to be. I want my base to be a lot lower. But we got picked up. So if it moves down to the slow momentum, it probably take me out for quite a bit. I was hoping it would turn around here, but it looks like the short side's prominent, dude. I'm on the wrong side of this trade. About to go down to $200 again. Let's just get fucking out. Yeah, dude. What the fuck? So I guess the test for the RDAs. Well, we're already here, aren't we? See if I'm on the wrong side of this. It's gonna suck. Unless that was really just a huge pullback. Which it probably was. I should have just waited. I don't know why I went in 6 there. Such a dumb decision. Especially because I know price is moving against me. It's been long. I should have just waited for the retest of the RDA. So that's what I literally called. Man, I hate. I can start journaling. I need to just keep journaling before I trade. Because I'm announcing the correct things and then I'm not following what I'm saying. And it's burning me. 300 down right now, bro. Yeah, this is just a fucking tank. Well, 2 days in a row. Just kind of getting pulsed over the last hour again. Should have just got off at 11 like I supposed to do, or I was down not that much. I always stay the last hour. This is why I don't trade the last hour of the market. That's because I can't. Mentality wise, I just cannot. Like too antsy, too impulsive trade. We'll just play out though. It's card. See how I traded today. Did all right. Just getting really impulsive again. I think it's really because I'm streaming. I'm not trying to make up some bullshit lies or nothing, but I wouldn't be in these trades honestly if I wasn't streaming. But I mean that's part of it. I mean it should be taking the best trades I can while streaming anyway. So not taking anything against how I was trading or not. Looks like the buy side's getting rejected though. Kind of hanging out on momentum. I think the RDA test is still viable. That's why I entered down there. That was already at kind of the lowest point. I get so stuck in that tunnel vision. It's so annoying. See where it pans out. Yeah, I feel like it might go up. It's probably going to go back up. That was probably just a huge pullback to test. Either it's taking me out or it's taking me in profit. I'm not moving my stop losses anymore. It's at $100, so I'll probably down about a 400 if it takes me out. Probably more. Yeah, all right. Figured that might happen. I mean, honestly, we're already down, so the only thing we can do is kind of make it back. So we'll just kind of see what the next trade is here. If it wants to go long, that's what I'm seeing. I'm going to go long then. Let's go a little heavier. Let's trade this close. There, we're doing 3. Now I'm frustrated. I'm going to try to scale in a little heavier here. I think this RDA test is kind of our best check. If it continues to move up from here, we're just going to buy. Go about like 9. Yeah, what do you know, dude? I fade, it goes against me. I buy, it goes against me. This thing's not fucking me. Okay, dude, if you want to go up, dude, fuck it. We're just going for it. I mean, we're already trading how we're trading, so. Try to get our basis a little bit lower. Okay, as soon as I fucking buy, dude, it stops going that way. should have went in for like 9 contracts. The buying side has been so superior today. Really, I should not fought against it. I knew it was the fade going short there. It really hurt doing it 3 times in a row. That's why you don't get your fade card yet. Good for you, Vanity. I'm glad you did it right today, man. Yeah, if you guys have your P&Ls, make sure you share them in the Discord. We all love to see them. You should share a reflection with it, kind of where your trades were at, your mindset was. If you just post a P&L just to flex it, like no one truly cares, bro. But if you're posting for, insight on how you're trading and just see your progression, then hell yeah, of course. We have some dudes that have just come in and posted P&Ls like one cut $140,000 day. You think you can flex more than that, dude? Anyways, not dissing you, but yeah, if you want to share your for sure share it in Discord list. Take a look at it. So letting this trade play out. If it wants to go long, go long. Really just gonna hold on this trade to the end. I've been watching the hell out of Yellowstone while I've been working, man. I just love that show. Looking at getting my uncle some boots here eventually. I just got my own hat. Just got a new one at least. So maybe looking at getting my uncle one. Get him a cowboy hat. Get some Spurs. Get some Ariats. I don't think I can make all 400 of this back, so we're just gonna let this thing do its thing, man. It would have been way better if I would have caught that low. I could have definitely made all this back, but it's a skill and then tried fading and tried catching that dagger. So I hope no one followed me in that. So now we're gonna do maybe we won't be down so much. It continues to rip here. Okay, what took me out? Let's exit. Okay, bring it back P&L slightly. About 20 minutes left in the market. Seeing a retest here. Just paid on that. What you do? We're just scalping, just catching these pullbacks. Question here is if this breaks. If it doesn't, I'm fading this move. I don't care. From what I've seen of the other ones, that was a good confirmation. If it closes above the strong levels, really matters here. This is very strong level created. All right, kind of the peak of that high. If you want to pick me up for more, we can, man. Set this trade ball out. All right. What's it about? Sci-fi? What's up? I'm not sure what you're asking stuff to depth, so I apologize. I don't know if I want to get in for more because we're still at the stream. I should just participate in it too and kind of wait to see what the confirmation is here. We have about 15 minutes left in the market too, so if you do not have experience trading the close, obviously be wary. All right, gentlemen. Well, guess I'm a piano here for today. A lot of over trading, a lot of bad trades are taken. So I'm posting this, but working on it. I feel like I'm trading a little better. I feel like I'm trading profitably if I'm not streaming, for sure. Even though it doesn't look like that on stream, but for sure, I feel like how my trading is, I'm gonna be profitable. I'm not streaming while trading. I'll be streaming tomorrow too. So, make sure you guys tune in for that. I appreciate everyone who kind of stopped by and watched and engaged with me. Everyone who's talking in the chats, I appreciate it. If you're not in the Discord, join the Discord down below. Join everything. Join it all, or else there's nowhere else. But yeah, make sure you join the Discord if you're looking to get started to be an alpha. DM myself, DM my uncle. Most likely DM me so I can get you started with everything. Yeah, this wasn't the best way to show how the system works, but it is a crazy system. I mean, you can look at any of the streams, any of the lives. I'm not really going to flex anymore, pressing on you. I appreciate everyone being here on the stream. Thank you guys. Have a great rest of your night. And good trading day. Peace.